Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create gold shine gradient on text in Photoshop. Select your text layer and open layer styles. Click gradient overlay and open gradient editor. Pick three tones: deep brown, golden and green. Rain stops to make natural gold reflections. Choose reflected style and set the angle to 90 degree. Increase the scale slightly for balance. Also add bevel and emboss for real metallic effect. Highlights edges with a light yellow colors and also apply an inner glow with warm tones. Add a subtle noise to remove flatness. Now the gold textures feel rich and natural. Duplicate